Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes with Joe. Today we're going to draw a kitten. So let's begin. So follow along with me. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the eyes. So again, big round eyes, like we always do on My Cute Tunes. And then we're going to draw another one. There we go. Just try to draw it as perfect as you can. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. So then we're going to go and we're going to draw two little lines in there. You see, there we go. And again, we're going to draw two circles right here. And that's going to be the reflection of the light as usual. That's great. Now we're going to color it in. So today I'm working with a pencil because I want to show you how I usually draw a picture. I'll draw it with a pencil, and then when I go over it with a darker pencil or maybe a marker, I can rectify the mistakes that I've made. That's always a very, very good way to draw. You first make sort of a rough sketch and then you complete it. Okay, so there's our eyes. Now we can draw two eyebrows like so. And now for a little nose. So our little kitten has a cute little nose like this. There we go. Perfect. And now we're going to draw the little mouth. So you're going to draw a line down and you're going to just draw two lines splitting away like that. Good. And now we're going to measure the head. So on the top of the head, I go way up, about like so. This is just a guide that we can draw there first. So now from here, we're gonna go like so, and you're just gonna make light lines, just sort of to get an indication of our little kitten's head. And we're gonna go all the way up, and then we're gonna round it off. So sometimes when you go, just make it nice and round like that. And there we have a basic shape of our head of our kitten. And now we're going to do the ears. We're going to go up like so, and we're maybe going to go down like this. So there's one ear, and we're just going to return like that. You see there the head and the shape of the ear comes. All right, and then from here we're going to do this. We're going to draw another ear. Okay, good, like this. Good, and then we're going to return it like so. So there we have sort of a basic shape. And now the bottom of the mouth, the chin, maybe like so. What do you think? I think it's great. So now for our little kitten's paws. Yeah, the front paw. So we can maybe just draw a guideline like so. Good. And now we're going to start with one paw. You can maybe just make a little block like this. And we're going to draw another paw like so. And you can just a little block like that. So that's just an indication where we want the paws. And then for the legs. So you're going to draw the inside of the leg up. And this inside up like that as well. And we're going to draw the chest area. So we're just going to do this. Just a little line like this, an indication where you want the chest area to be. Okay. And now from here, we're going to actually draw the outside of the legs. Or what we do first, let's do the head first. Let's finish off the head. So we're going to draw the hair. So you're just going to make a line like that. You're going to make another line like so. And you're going to make another line like so. And then on the ears, we're going to draw a little bit of hair there, like so. And the same here as well. There you go. Perfect. And now for the side of the head. So we're going to draw a line. You can just follow with me like this, and you can go back. And again another line, and you're going to go back. And then a smoother line, and you're going to connect the mouth like so. And on this side we'll do the same thing. You're going to draw a line, you're going to return it, another line, you're going to return it, and another line, and we're going to just bring it together like that. Okay, that's perfect. Now we're going to do the leg. So we're going to start with the shoulder, and with the shoulder like that. You're with me? And we're going to bring the leg down like so. And the same thing here as well. We're going to bring it down like so. There you see the front legs with the paws. And now we're going to draw the paws. So we're going to, the toes, you're maybe going to draw a toe like that, another toe like that, and another one like that. And this side the same thing, a toe, another toe, and the third toe. Our little kitten's going to have 3 toes. If that's correct or not, I don't know. And now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the legs, the hind legs. So our kitten is going to sit on her little backside. So we're going to just make an indicator again like this for her feet, just maybe like a little box. And this side, we're going to draw this sort of a box as well here. So that will be the feet. First thing, toes. Yeah, let's draw the toes. There's one toe, there's a second toe, and there's a third toe. And on this side, we'll do the same. One toe, make it a big one, second toe, and a third toe. Good. And now we're going to sort of draw a shape for our little hind paws of our kitten. You see, like that. And you're going to draw another one like so. And there we go. And now you're going to draw a circle, a circle, a circle. Yeah, that's for their little pads under our kitten's feet. So there you go. And a big one there. Oh, I think it looks perfect. Absolutely perfect. What do you think? And now for the legs, the upper part of the leg. So you can start maybe you're in the middle, about this distance, and you're going to go down like so. Very easy. And this side, you're going to go down like so. There we go. And here, we're just going to connect the lines like so. See, there's our little kitten. Oh, and our cute little kitten is sitting on her backside. The next thing we can do, we can draw her little tail. Yeah, so there we go. A curvy line like so. You with me? Good. And we're going to make a line back. So you're going to go back. And what I'm going to do now, when I go down, I'm going to make the tail a little thicker, like so. So you see there's our little kitten with her tail. And we're going to just draw the floor area, maybe like so. And another line like so. And I think this little kitten looks absolutely amazing. So, now that we have our shape of our kitten, the thing we can do now is actually just darken everything. So we are happy with the shape of everything. So you go over with your pencil or a marker, whatever you choose, whatever you like. So we're gonna make the lines darker. So, and you can make some adjustments. When you make the lines and see if you made some mistakes, you can make some adjustments there. And let's color in the eyes. I think a bit darker. A bit darker than usual. What do you think? I think this little kitten looks absolutely amazing. There we go. Good. And there we colored it in. A bit darker. And then for the little nose, let's see. Okay, what I want to do, I want to draw an extra line here, just to give a little bit more detail to my kitten's eyes. You don't have to if you don't want to. Remember, it's your picture. You can color it in, you can draw it any way you like. Any way you like. So I'm gonna draw a little bit darker, the eyebrows. And then for the nose, I want to make a little adjustment on the nose. So I'm going to draw the top part like that. And I'm going to bring a line in, sort of a curve for the little nose, just to give it a bit of a shape. You see, now I'm starting to change things the way I like. Then the mouth, I'm going to go down and I'm going to go like so and down with a round little line. Now you see, this is a bit round, this is more flat, this line. So I want to rectify that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it out a little bit like so. So you see, this is how I correct my drawing now. You first make a rough drawing and then you go in and you prepare it, sort of. There we go. And there is the face and the little cute little chin of our kitten, and then the hair of within the ears, and we connect it like that. And this side I'm going to do the same thing as well, and I'm going to connect it, and the hair on top. So maybe I could change it a little bit the way I think it's going to look very cute, maybe like so. Good. And then the ears. Now you can change the ears as well, so maybe I'm going to make my ears a little bit wider. See what I'm doing? So I don't follow those lines correctly and I change it, because sometimes we as artists, we make mistakes, and the second time around we just repair those mistakes. Look at those ears. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And now for the front part, I'm going to do this for the little chest of our little kitten. There we go. And then the shoulders. There we go. And the legs, the side shoulder, the top of the leg. Perfect. And then her little paws. And again, if you want to make her paws a little bit bigger, you can. There we go. I think it's absolutely amazing. The hind paws with the pads under the feet or under the paws. There we go. And now we're gonna connect the lines the way we feel it's gonna look better. I just made it a bit bigger. There we go. And the hind legs there as well. And we're going to go up with the tail, and if you want to change something in the tail, now's your chance. So I'm going to make this a bit wider. I'm not going to follow that line completely, and then I'm going to go down like this. And there's my little kitten. I think this kitten looks absolutely amazing. What do you think? And I'm sure yours looks just as amazing. So now you can color in your kitten. You can maybe draw some stripes on your kitten. It's absolutely your choice what you want to do with it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'll see you soon.